Hello friends, today we are going to solve a question from a partnership firm, in which question the sacrificing ratio has been asked to calculate. This question I have taken from Commerce paper 2 December 2015. In this question there are three partners named X, Y, Z whose profit sharing ratio is 6 is to 5 is to 3. A is admitted into partnership. That means this is the question belonging to the admission of a partner. For 1/8 share, the sacrificing ratio has been asked for the calculate. So first of all, we should know what is sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio is equals to old ratio minus new ratio. So what we should know before knowing the sacrificing ratio is old ratio and new ratio of the existing partners or the old partner. So old ratio is given 6 is to 5 is to 3. That means old ratio for X, this is a 6 upon 6 plus 5, that is 11, plus 3, that is equals to 14. For Y it is 5 upon 14, and for Z it is 3 upon 14. Now we got the old ratio, we have to subtract new ratio from this ratio. So we should calculate the new ratio. New partner, that is A, is admitted into partnership firm for 1/8 share. That means if we give 1/8 share to A, then what should be the remaining share for the old partners? So first we calculate new ratio. That means the whole ratio, yeah, or we could say that the full ratio for the firm is 1, and 1/8 share has to be given to A. So 1 minus 1/8, that is 8. 8 is the LCM of 1 and 8. If we divide 8 from with the 1, so we will get 8, and 8 multiplied by 1 is equals to 8. Minus 8 will be divided by 8, so that is 1, and 1 will be multiplied by 1, that is 1, that will be 7 upon 8. This is the share remain after the giving the A's share from the firm or the total profit. So now this share would be distributed into old partners, among the old partners in old ratios. So old ratio was 6 for Z, for X, Y and Z. 7 upon 8 into 6 upon 14, that will be the new ratio for X. 7 upon 8 into 5 upon 14, that will be the new ratio for Y. And for Z, 7 upon 8 into 3 upon 14. So we could calculate 6 sevens are 42 upon 14 eights are 112. In the same way, 7 fives are 35, 8 14s are 112, or we could say 14 eights are 7 threes are 21, and 14 eights are 112. And for A, the ratio is 1 upon 8. We will equate this 8 with the 112, so we had to multiply 14 upon 14, that will be 14 upon 112. The new ratio is 42 is to 35 is to 21 is to 14. Now all these values are divisible with the 7, so 7 6 are 42, 7 5 are 35, 7 3 are 21, 7 2 are 14, that is New ratio is 6 upon 15. 6 is to 15 is to 3 is to 2. This is X share, Y share, Z and A's. 6 plus 5, that is 11. 11 plus 3, that is 14. 14 plus 2, that is 16. That means upon 16, upon 16, upon 16, upon 16. Now we know the new ratio and we know the old ratio. We will subtract new ratio from the old ratio. Old ratio was 16 upon 14 and new ratio is 16 upon 16. Old ratio for y was 5 upon 14 and new ratio is 5 upon 16. For z in the same way, this is 3 upon 16. If we subtract old ratio minus new ratio, what we will get? We will get sacrificing ratio. We are subtracting here the new ratio from the old ratio. It will give us the sacrificing ratio. Now what we had to do, we had to calculate the LCM of 14 and 16. If we compute the LCM of 16 and 14, we will get the 112. If 112, we will divide 112 by 14, we will get the 16. 16 6 are 96 minus, if we will divide 112 with the 16, we will get 14 and 14 6 are 84. That will be 12 upon 112. If in the same way the LCM of 14 and 16 is 112, if we will divide 112 with the 14, we will get 16 and 16 5s are 80 minus, if we will divide 112 with the 16, we will get 14 and 14 5s are 70. That will be 10 upon 112. And for this, 112 is the LCM of 14 and 16. If we will divide 112 by the 14, we will get 16 and 16 3s are 48. If we will divide 112 with the 16, we will get 14 and 14 3s are 42. And we will get 6 upon 112. So sacrificing ratio is, if we will write down as the ratio form, this will be 12 is to 10 is to 6, and it is divisible with the 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10, 2 3 are 6. So now we get the sacrificing ratio 6 is to 5 is to 3, and for this the answer B is correct for this question. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and give me thumbs up if you like this video. If you have any comment or compliment, please comment below. Thank you so much for watching full video.